I think networking is something that is extremely important for not just as a woman, but I think in general that applies to every one of us. While we may be glued to our respective careers, but it's equally important for us to socialize with an intention to one, share and also learn at the same time. And I'm a firm believer that networking is generally spoken in the professional world, but I'm a firm believer that networking is also something that needs to be practiced both in the professional as well as in the personal world. Because I think especially in the last couple of years, things have changed where there is a lot of overlap in the way we generally conduct business, operate and sort of socialize. So I think it's very important for us to think in both sides of the world, for us to engage, because I believe that cross collaboration sort of really helps us mature in the way we see things, which we otherwise would believe and have a restricted view of, of the worlds that we live in, operate. I think what I really, liked about today's session is that it's in a very unusual offline sort of a setting, which really brought leaders from different walks of life to basically, know each other. And I'm also really happy to see a lot of people whom I worked with in the past to be here in this session. And what really caught my attention is what actually Daisy mentioned, to be yourself and to be authentic, which most of the times we pay too much attention in trying to please and think about what others might feel about what we say. But I think the power is just believing in yourself, and which I think really brings in the best. That's been very reassuring to hear from some of the leaders across the industry as well.